how to upload content to Reddit. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll be guiding you on how can you upload content to Reddit, right? So basically you want to do is open the Reddit on your device. Also make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. So what you need is basically click on the create button at the bottom of the page or right in center. And what next you want to do is add in a title, given a title, all that stuff. And you could also go ahead and upload a photo, image, all that. Allow all of these options. And once you've actually done this, I am going to upload this, right? So click on the done button, select and click on add, and then you could go ahead and choose a community, after which you could select a post type, that is post, image and video, link, poll, all that stuff. Add in a title, fill in the details, and this way you'll be able to successfully upload content to Reddit. So that's how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.